Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a radiator. First, always ensure your vehicle's engine is completely cool to prevent burns from hot coolant or engine parts. Gather all your tools, including a large drain pan, various wrenches, and pliers. Locate the radiator's drain plug, usually at the bottom, and place your drain pan directly beneath it. Carefully open the plug and let all the old coolant drain out completely into the pan. This step is crucial for a clean and safe replacement. With the coolant drained, it's time to disconnect the old radiator. Start by carefully detaching both the upper and lower radiator hoses. Next, unplug any electrical connections, such as those for the cooling fan or temperature sensors. Remove the bolts securing the fan shroud, then gently lift the shroud out of the engine bay. Finally, unbolt the radiator's mounting brackets and carefully lift the entire old radiator straight up and out of the vehicle. Take your time to avoid damaging other components. Now let's install your new radiator. Gently lower the new radiator into the engine bay, aligning it with the mounting points. Secure it firmly using the mounting bolts and brackets you removed earlier. Next, carefully reattach the fan shroud, making sure it's properly seated and all its bolts are tightened. Finally, reconnect both the upper and lower radiator hoses, ensuring they are clamped tightly to prevent any leaks. Double-check all connections for security. The final steps involve refilling and testing. First, ensure the radiator drain plug is securely closed. Then, slowly fill the radiator with the manufacturer-recommended coolant, typically a 50-50 mix of antifreeze and distilled water. Start the engine and let it run until it reaches its normal operating temperature, allowing the thermostat to open. Keep an eye on the coolant level and top it off as needed. Finally, thoroughly check for any leaks and confirm the cooling fan cycles on and off correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.